The incident in the file day 4 of reactivating my account, MP4 illustrates a typical geological hazard where natural elements interact forcefully with transportation infrastructure. Slope instability occurs when massive rock blocks on a high cliffside lose cohesion due to erosion or vibrations, leading to a free fall onto the roadway. In the video day 4 of reactivating my account, MP4, multi-ton boulders accumulate massive kinetic energy, causing immediate structural deformation to vehicle frames that exceeds their integrity. Because the reaction window between precursor dust and primary impact is only seconds, maneuverability is severely restricted. Drivers must watch for falling pebbles, obey hazard signage, and avoid mountain passes during heavy rain when soil is water-saturated. Ultimately, safety requires combining driver alertness with technical infrastructure like rockfall netting to mitigate risks from such unexpected geological events. The structural failure in enormous falling objects workplace safety first accident prevention HES stay alert Santanu DAS. MP4 highlights critical risks where weak connection points or inadequate bracing lead to vertical collapses. As gravity transforms metal poles into high-velocity objects with immense kinetic energy, workers are left with almost no time for calculated movement. Environmental factors like wind loads can easily overturn unanchored systems. A significant management failure was the lack of an exclusion zone, placing workers in the direct path of falling debris. Fortunately, situational awareness allowed the workers to hear buckling metal and flee. To prevent recurrence, sites must establish safety perimeters, perform daily per-shift SCAF tag inspections, and foster a near-miss reporting culture to address installation loopholes rather than relying on luck. The footage in the file Meckway. MP4 illustrates a catastrophic chain reaction caused by a structural support failure within a logistics environment. The racking system appears to have been loaded beyond its rated capacity or suffered from uneven weight distribution. A minor impact from a transport vehicle caused the primary upright to buckle, leading to an instantaneous loss of load-bearing capacity for the entire bay. Once the initial module failed, tons of inventory fell freely, generating massive kinetic energy that pulled down adjacent rows in a sequential chain. In Meckway, EP4, the collapse spreads across the entire floor within seconds due to the interconnected nature of the rack frames. The limited clearance between aisles left personnel with virtually no reaction time or escape routes. To prevent this, facilities must enforce strict load capacity management and perform routine structural maintenance on uprights and bolt connections. Installing impact-resistant protectors and ensuring operators undergo specialized training to maintain safe clearances are essential. Ultimately, warehouse safety relies on the synergy of resilient engineering and human discipline to avoid massive property damage and threats to worker safety. The industrial incident captured in the file aptipambuf 9 belate kusaj 9 papsam volv hok mix kazusiap mo 2941 v8xc. MP4 highlights the critical dangers of high-torque machinery. The worker's loose-fitting jacket became caught in a nip point due to rotational inertia, instantly pulling him into the active mixer. Despite attempting to reach the power switch, the extreme mechanical force led to several seconds of rapid rotation and physical impact. He was only freed when the fabric reached its breaking point and tore away, leaving him with visible bruising. This serves as a vital lesson. Always wear form-fitting PP, ensure all rotating parts have fixed guards, and install accessible e-stop buttons. Adhering to strict lockout, tagout protocols is essential to prevent such life-altering consequences.